has the partnership with CTHA allowed you to focus on other aspects of your life or investments while knowing your property was well managed?
Well, what I liked about work, or what I like about working with CTHA, is the fact that my property is well managed. I have peace of mind. I can rest assured. I can go on holiday. I can enjoy myself. I know that when I come back, my property is still, the same way. They've made sure that the guests were received, that the property was maintained, because if anything goes wrong, CTHA has specialized repair people to obviously take care of the property. So, or to do repairs, if anything goes wrong. So the guest is not inconvenienced. So it really is peace of mind for me, because it's the garden that needs to be maintained, it's the guests that need to be received. I can still go out and live my life and do what I enjoy. So that really is something that that helps me as a person who's in partnership with CTHA.